Oh, you're a badass.
Beast, 180 FPS.
No, 61.
61. Shoot me with it. Shoot me with it. Hey, shoot. Hey, shoot me in the leg with it.
Hey guys!
I didn't even feel it.
That's an awesome gun.
Whoa.
They said, I asked the ref and he said it was okay that this only shoots full. He said no one's gonna care. Wait, I need some ammo.
My blinking red.
You just pulled it up last day.
Yeah, that sucks.
I'm ready to come back and get my gun over there.
Guys, get behind us. Move over. Send me over, guys.
Speed.
Alright.
Okay, hold. Okay. Okay. Game starts in 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
4.
4, 3. Get on!
Oh shit, I'm almost slipping already. Oh shit, I didn't adjust my hop up.
Shit, it's slippery.
We got some guys over there. Whoa. Go, baby.
Go. Right there, right there.
Hold up, wait. Let's do it. Let's rush.
That's some, I don't know. My head peers over. Ready?
Come on. Bonsai. 3. This guy's straight there. Let's just run right towards him, alright?
No.
Let's do it. We got him.
Right there.
Their guns aren't reaching us.
The guy ran away.
Let's do it. Come on, let.
Copy. I'm gonna slide.
Go ahead.
Ready? Yeah.
I'm not running.
Dude, the hop looks so cool. Can't shoot through the window.
I got Guido in the back of the neck. Ah! Whoa.
I can't see the glare over there.
The frozen mud. Got you, big boy.
All right, Chad.
Go. Where do we got him? Call him out.
No blind firing.
He's hit.